Welcome back to the course. We've discussed several factors that go into choosing the right instrument, and now it's time to talk about something that, well, it often gets overlooked: maintenance and upkeep. Your instrument is an investment, and like any investment, it needs care and maintenance. Maintaining your instrument is as essential as playing it. Regular upkeep ensures longevity and optimal sound quality. It is boring and nowhere near as much fun as jamming, gigging, recording, and hanging out at clubs to promote your amazing new band, but your instrument is your ticket to your desired location, success. Different instruments have different maintenance needs. For example, a guitar might need regular string changes and fretboard cleaning, while a woodwind instrument like a saxophone may require more specialised care. The variety of instruments available and the variety of maintenance options for them is far too varied for me to get into here. Now, before making your final decision, consider the time and effort you're willing to invest in maintaining your instrument. It's an essential part of being a successful musician.